Unleash the power of cutting-edge AI without needing a supercomputer, right here, right now. Today, we're diving into how to run the impressive DeepSeek model directly within Google Colaboratory, your free cloud-based AI development playground. This means you can tap into powerful computing resources, specifically GPUs, and tackle those computationally heavy AI tasks without any strain on your local machine. First things first, let's ensure we have the right hardware. Open your Google Colab notebook and navigate to the Runtime menu. From there, select Change Runtime Type in the pop-up window. Under Hardware Accelerator, choose GPU. This is crucial for the performance needed to run DeepSeek smoothly. Next, we need to set up our environment by installing the necessary libraries. This involves a few straightforward commands that will download and prepare all the software DeepSeek needs to function. Don't worry about the specifics of the code. Colab handles the heavy lifting for us here. With our environment prepped and GPU enabled, we can now proceed to load the DeepSeek model itself. This step involves running a slightly more involved set of instructions within Colab. Think of this as telling Colab exactly which version of DeepSeek you want to use and fetching it. Once the model is loaded, you're ready to start experimenting. You can then provide your input, whether it's text for generation or data for analysis, and observe DeepSeek's powerful AI capabilities in action. This opens up a world of possibilities for your AI projects, from advanced natural language processing to complex data insights, all accessible through your browser. So there you have it. Running DeepSeek on Colab is an accessible and powerful way to push the boundaries of your AI development. Give it a try and see what amazing things you can create.